Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the Gridbox icon library. The Gridbox icon library can be accessed from the Gridbox editor. To open the icon library, click Tools in the toolbar and choose Icon Library from the drop-down menu. The icon library provides a centralized collection of icons that can be used across various Gridbox elements. Unlike previous versions of Gridbox, Gridbox no longer relies on pre-installed icon font libraries such as Font Awesome and similar solutions. Instead, Gridbox uses SVG icons exclusively. This approach provides several advantages, including improved performance, sharper rendering at any size, greater design flexibility, and better compatibility with modern web standards. By using SVG icons, websites can reduce unnecessary assets, achieve more consistent visual quality, and benefit from faster page loading times. The toolbar includes various controls, such as a search field that allows you to quickly find icons, as well as buttons for uploading and deleting icons. As mentioned earlier, the Gridbox icon library supports only the modern SVG format. For this example, we will use the Feather Icons library and download one of the icons. To upload the icon to the Gridbox icon library, click the Upload button and select the downloaded SVG file. The icon will now be uploaded and available for use in Gridbox. To remove one or more icons, select the desired items and use the Delete button in the toolbar. That's how you can manage icons in the Gridbox icon library. The SVG-based approach ensures better performance, scalability, and consistent visual quality across your website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.